It's not the way Marissa Smith hoped to celebrate her 18th birthday, a trip with her dad to the Tulsa Health Department. You're about to go in to get tested. What are your emotions right now?
I'm pretty nervous. I don't like needles. I don't like really testing. And after this whole ordeal, I just want to be clean.
Free from hepatitis B and C and HIV. Smith is one of oral surgeon Scott Harrington's 7,000 patients who might have been exposed to those viruses because of what Oklahoma investigators call risky practices by the doctor and his staff.
It makes my skin crawl. I think it's horrifying.
Marissa's mom says Dr. Harrington took out her daughter's wisdom teeth in June 2011. What do you remember about getting your wisdom teeth out?
I just thought, he's a really nice guy. Like there wasn't going to be any problems, so obviously now I don't really feel like that, but.
Melissa is a nurse and understands the risk of infection is low, but she's infuriated.
I'm angry. I feel like he's kind of let us down. I feel like he's let a lot of people down.
Dr. Harrington wasn't home when we visited. Both he and his lawyer aren't returning repeated calls. This woman, who would only identify herself as a friend and a patient, dropped off an Easter lily. But unlike hundreds getting tested, she won't, telling me, quote, "I trust him." This neighbor says he's known Harrington for years. When you heard about these charges, the complaint against him by the Board of Dentistry, what did you make of it?
Couldn't believe it. He seems highly competent to me, just a smart guy, and I was just shocked when I heard it, and I feel badly for him. I feel badly for his patients, and I really hope there's some other explanation.
An explanation for State Board of Dentistry allegations of expired drugs, suspected unsanitary equipment, including rusty instruments, and unlicensed dental assistants administering IV sedation, which authorities say is a felony.
It's just scared me so badly that, I'm just always going to be always thinking about that, every time I go to the dentist.
So far, no criminal charges against Harrington seen in this picture from the 70s or his assistants.
How do you say you're sorry to 7,000 people that you could possibly have infected? I just don't think you can.
Marissa, petrified of needles, waited 3 hours to have her blood drawn.
I will never forget my 18th birthday present being a blood test.
Her perfect present would be a clean bill of health, but she won't get test results for another 2 to 3 weeks. Susan Candiotti, CNN, Tulsa, Oklahoma.